Hi, this is Shweta. I know you are seeing my face for the first time, maybe because I haven't posted any video for a long or after a long time. So, how you doing? Just let me know. I am just curious to know. And so, as you know from the title, that today I'm going to show you how the project's gonna help you, how you can find the projects from any websites or different sites out there. We'll be talking about later. So here I have listed down the points which I'll be covering in the video further. So before getting into the video, I just want to let you know that thank you so much for watching my video, and I just want to tell you that there is no professionalism in this channel because enough of professionalism in my life, college, workplace and everywhere. I just want to be with like all myself to you, and I am posting a video for you. So and you're watching it, so I know you understand me and I understand you, what you need in your college life and these projects and all these things. So let's start it. So for first, we'll be getting into my computer screen now, where I'll be showing you like which are the websites, which are the like social media side also you can get the projects. And there are some websites like you can get your project, like if you want to build by yourself, you'll get a complete idea from there. You can add your own idea also into it, and there are websites from where you actually can get the projects, but I won't suggest you to take the projects directly because it's just for you're getting the idea, right? So let's get started into the video.
Guys, we came to my computer screen. Now I'll be talking about the websites and the sites which will be helping you for your projects. So this website called thousands of projects, and these websites provide actually tons and tons of project ideas. But yeah, for buying the project you have to pay to them. I don't know all about that, but here as you can see, they have given the output videos for all the projects. You can just go and watch the output of the video and get the idea how the projects will be working, and you can make your own projects and you can apply your own idea to that project. So they are providing like Python AI projects, Java projects, and trust me, their projects are really good. And here you can see they have a project reports, .NET projects, and abstracts also they have made. Even for the projects, no, you will get all the report, like how you are going to make your project reports from them only. Synopsis also they have given in their websites. So not only computer science projects, you can see ECE for electronics and EEE. For all of them, they have the projects. So do check this out, this website, and I'll be providing this website's link below. um, then this website is only to get the idea like how you're going to make the project, the output, how it will look like. And you can just search like mm, fire online fire. Let's try one project, hopefully they have online fire thousands of project. Yeah, I guess they do have. Yeah, they have here. And they don't provide source code like for free. You have to pay for that, but I would suggest you don't pay for any for your projects. Just build by yourself. As you can see, how much, what and all ever you need for your synopsis, you will be getting here those things, and you will get a brief idea like how the project is going to be. And here you can give your comment to them. And then let's next is our one and only GitHub. You know, this is the best site to find your projects. I have searched here Java GitHub projects. This is the site where you can actually get the projects, what others have done. So, like, see here, someone has done the calculator project, online bookstore, hotel management, ATM machine, store, billing system. Let's just open this one. I'll show you how you can download the project. So, you can see here all the files, right? So, you just have to go to the code and download the GIF folder. Then the folders which has like Java. So here, if you will go to the file, see here you can see the folder is extended. The folder's extension is Java. So this is your main file. This is your main file. So admin pane means it is billing system. So he has a admin page. He has a DB invoice, login page, sell page, cashier, product, all the extensions you are seeing the .java. These are your file name, main files on which you will be working. And png, jpeg, you know all the images what you have used for your project, and these are the jar files. So I am thinking that this project must be a online website kind of project, since they have used the jar files here. And you can download the code directly from here, but I would suggest you to just go through the files and go through the codes and try by yourself to do it. So if you will go here, you can see the code over here, and he has used all this are the imported library files and the functions and everything. Then I guess the db.java file is the database file. Yeah, SQL. So this project is the used JSP and all this JSP and all, and you will be getting a GUI screen where you will be putting your data and you will be saving the data in your database. He has done all these things. So from GitHub you will be getting tons and tons of projects, and it is very helpful also, like endless projects. And next you can believe me, you literally can get projects on Instagram too. Like Instagram is not only for DMs and all. Like you can see the page here, Python Hub, they provide really good projects. Like you can, like, really real life good projects. Like if you go to their page, you can find the projects and the codes and everything. They have given the information about the projects. This site called Python Helper, and one more site called 99 words per minute. There's Instagram page, and they also do really good. They also provide really good projects on Python. So do check out their Instagram page. So next, move to LinkedIn page. How you will be getting projects on LinkedIn. And trust me, this is the best way to get the projects on LinkedIn, because you will be getting the projects who has done recently, right? So you have to search STE1, Amazon, Google, or anything. Just search, and you will be getting so many profiles here. So just go to any profile. So I don't know, it's okay to go in someone's profile, but it's fine. Then you can see they are like ST1 in Amazon. So recently they have joined, right, to Amazon, 1 year experience and all. You are seeing here, and they are one session called projects. So here you can see their projects, what they have done, what they have worked, and what technologies they have used. So when you go to the so projects, it will open the GitHub page and you can directly see their projects, and you can get the idea. I won't suggest you to take their projects or to download their projects. Just get the idea and work on your own project. Then this is called gender recognition using voice sample. This is also really good projects based on AI, machine learning and Python. And that's all. These all are the websites.
I hope the websites are helpful for you. So now we are moving towards the part how the projects are going to help you in your career. Are they really important for you? Yes, they are, because when it comes to your placements, the interviewer is going to ask you tell about yourself, and the next question is going to be tell about your projects. So in many interviews, how much interviews I have been through, everyone has asked me like, tell me about your project, why you chose the project, which technologies you have used, why you use these technologies. So I just want to let you know that be thorough with your project ideas, be thorough with your codings in your project, and the technologies you have used. If you are using any current technologies, that's best for you, because the trick I'll tell you, in interview they expect you to know new technologies, and they know you are freshers, so they won't ask you much difficult or in-depth questions in that. Here we reach the end part of the video. I hope it was helpful for you. I know I didn't do up to the mark, but I'm just starting now, and I will be improving a lot. I'll be working on myself. I'll be posting on videos frequently now. Okay, I promise you that. And thank you so much for watching my video. If you feel like to subscribe my channel, if you feel like it is helpful for you, please do subscribe. I want that.